If you want to copy a text on Samsung Galaxy A17, then what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on the first word that should be selected. And then you can, for example, extend the range by grabbing by these blue things at the bottom over here, like this, so you can extend it. You can also press select all from this bar. So as you can see, we can select pretty much everything, every text that we have on the screen. And then once you select everything that you wish to copy, you should be able to find the copy option. So in this case, I'm using a browser, but you can also do pretty much the same thing. Let's say in the messages. So if you have written a message, then you can just copy it in the same way. And in order to paste it, as you perhaps saw over here in the middle of the screen, I had this copied text. So I can just tap on that text in order to paste it. In case it is now missing after using it once, you can tap on this clipboard icon here, and you should be able to find your text, so you can tap on it in order to add it again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.